In this lesson, we're looking at the Sus4 chord. So far, you're seeing the major scale. The Sus4 chord, suspended fourth, is a means of adding tension. So what do I mean by this? Let's hear it again. Did you feel the tension? If I show you sus to straight, suspending the third to the fourth creates a sense of expectation. The fourth wants to resolve to the third. This is what you just heard. In E, I played the E major chord, but replaced the third G sharp with the fourth A. This is called a suspended fourth, or Sus4. Essentially, suspending the fourth is delaying the arrival of the major or minor third. This creates the feeling of tension that something's about to happen. For us, there's two ways of looking at this. One is we replace the third with the fourth. Okay, resetting. The other way is the third moves to the fourth. This is because the whole point of a resolution is it will resolve. The move to the fourth is temporary. The concept of the suspension can be extended to other notes beyond the fourth, a whole chord of notes. Welcome to the world of the 11th. But we'll deal with that another time. Here are common chord shapes of Sus4. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you.